Great. Now we are done with creating the build. Now we are going to make transfer of that build to our hosted EC2 instance. So from this documentation, we have already created the EC2 instance. Just for the small recap, we have created the EC2 instance. We have connected via SSH. We have now made the build of our Angular application. We are now going to transfer our Angular files to the EC2 instance. So we are going to use this command of SCP. I'm going to make a copy of it and go back to the PowerShell, but on the section of the local machine, because we are going to make a copy from the local machine to the EC2 server, which is hosted on the AWS. So even our application is located in desktop. Let me confirm by making the list and try to and also our application is located on the desktop part, so I'm going to use that command. Now I'm going to do some little modifications. It is not very hard. So here I'm going to edit the file. It is named as the Angular deploy key.pem. So I'm going to call it Angular deploy key.pem, and our files are located here in the dist browser app. So it is very simple. You have just to come here on the dist folder, do the right click and do the copy path, and come and replace it with this one where our files are just located. So after you are done, you will just also change this location of the IP address which is hosted. So we are going to replace it with this one, which is the new one. As you can see, this is the SAT4.224.41.250, while we are using 2.30.25.103. So it's different. We are going to replace it. So it's very simple. All I have to do is to remove this one, the previous one, up to EC2 user, and do the right click, and it is automatically being pasted. So if you need some guidance, you will use this documentation. It is not very complicated. So now we are going to use this command, which has the location of our key pair, which has also the location of our build files that we have created, and the destination of the instance that we are going to use. So all I have to do is to click enter and wait for a few minutes. So as you can see now, it has started to transfer our files from the local machine to the EC2 instance. Great. Now we have finally done transferring our files. Let me confirm by coming here on our EC2 instance and do the LS. Now you can see we can be able to view the front-end directory. I can try to check if I can be able to view some browser files from the front end by doing the LS. Now you can see it is located there. So now we are going to move with the next step of configuring Nginx, because we have already transferred our Angular files to the EC2 instance. So thank you so much for watching.